Introducing Square mobile application. First-timer users of the app will be shown a splash screen and onboarding page which contains descriptions of some application's features. If the user wants to navigate the app without signing in, they may choose to continue as guest, but in order to reserve a room, the user must do sign in. If the user don't have an existing account on Square, they may do sign up and continue with the registration process. Then, user may sign in and will navigate to the home page. In the home menu, guests are able to book a stay by firstly choosing the check-in date, the stay duration, and the total of guests staying. After inputting the data, the guest could search for the available rooms. After choosing the room type, the guest may see the room details and click on the Book Now button. Then, the guest will input the reservation data needed and continue to the payment process. Here, the guest may redeem their Square points or use vouchers. After that, the user will continue to the payment detail in order to pay for the room that was booked. After the user has successfully paid, the guest must do check-in. The user may add maximum 2 persons to access the room using digital key. Then, the guest may access the room by clicking the digital key access button in the bottom right of the page. In order to open the room, the guest should bring the phone closer to the door lock. In the service menu, guests may choose a service from Square, whether it's room service, housekeeping, requesting wake-up calls, or even extending your stay. Here, guests with groups may reserve a meeting room to conduct workshops or training. They simply need to choose the room meeting type, read the details, and choose Book Now to choose the room capacity, date, and time of booking. There is no need to come to Square in order to see the facilities. Just head over to our facilities page and get a list of facilities and their description. Trying to see a bigger picture? Click on the 360 button and experience a virtual tour of Square. In need of assistance, our chatbot, Cubix, is here to help with your inquiries. With Cubix, language will never be a barrier. For international guests, Cubix automatic two-way translation is able to translate your messages. Guests may also call our receptionist within working hours. Lastly, the profile menu consists of Square points tracker, which could lead to more rewards within the app. Guests are also able to check their reservation and other activities histories. Guests are able to edit their profile in the account settings submenu. And lastly, guests are able to share their referral code in order to receive Square points to use for their next purchase. This allows Square to increase their customer base, which results in emerging revenue.